Did you ever wish your team knew exactly what to do without any confusion? By using visual process maps to clarify roles, misunderstandings and efficiencies can be the thing of the past. Let's dive into how Michael Hammer's and James Champy's revolutionary approach in Re-engineering the Corporation, a Manifesto for Business Revolution, can transform your business operations. First, process mapping. Visual maps break down complex operations into easy, manageable steps. Start by identifying your key business functions, whether it be sales, customer service, or logistics. For each function, create a visual process map that outlines the flow of activities from start to finish. And by the way, always start with the customer first. Next, define roles within these maps. Clearly label each role involved in the process. This transparency clarifies who is responsible for what and highlights the interdependencies between roles, boosting teamwork and collaboration. Ensure everyone understands the responsibilities by including step-by-step guides or SOPs within the process maps. Detail the specific actions and decisions required at each step, making it crystal clear what each role entails. This minimizes confusion and ensures tasks are completed correctly and efficiently. Visuals and diagrams are your secret weapons. Use flowcharts and other visual aids to make the information easily digestible. These tools can transform dense text into intuitive and engaging resource, making it easier for employees to grasp and retain their responsibilities. By leveraging Hammer and Champy's process mapping techniques, you can create powerful visual aids that simplify role clarity within your organization. Mapping out processes, defining roles, providing step-by-step guides, and using visual aids will lead to a more efficient, cohesive, and productive workplace. So why wait? Start re-engineering your business today and watch your business thrive like never before.